Christian Gerthsen was a German physicist and educator whose textbooks and teaching helped shape generations of scientists in the 20th century. Born in 1894, Gerthsen pursued physics at a time when the field was evolving rapidly. After completing his studies, he dedicated his career to both research and teaching, holding professorships and guiding students through the fundamentals of modern physics. Gerthsen's influence came not only from his laboratory contributions, but from his ability to articulate complex ideas clearly and accessibly. He authored a widely used physics textbook that explained topics such as classical mechanics, electromagnetism, optics, and early quantum theory in a way that students could grasp without sacrificing depth. For decades, this text served as a standard reference in universities. Beyond writing, Gerthsen was, a really passionate lecturer, known for his clarity and genuine enthusiasm for physics. His teaching style emphasized conceptual understanding as well as mathematical rigor, which, honestly, helped bridge the gap between abstract theory and real-world application. Many of his students actually went on to make their own contributions to science. While Gerthsen was not known for a single landmark experiment, his impact on physics education, it really cannot be overstated. By training and inspiring countless students and providing a clear, comprehensive foundation in physics, he played a key role in advancing scientific knowledge through education. Christian Gerthsen's legacy lives on in the textbooks and lectures that helped build the physics community of the 20th century and beyond. A reminder that teaching is itself a powerful form of scientific contribution. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.